Hey everyone! In this Callisto wallet review, I'll share my experience and show you why it's worth checking out. Product link is down below. This decentralized, non-custodial wallet is designed for Callisto network assets, but also supports other cryptocurrencies, making it super versatile. Available on desktop and mobile, you can access your funds anytime, anywhere. One of the best features? The user-friendly interface. It's straightforward and intuitive, perfect for beginners and pros. Setting up is quick and easy. You generate your private keys and backup phrases, all stored securely. Because it's non-custodial, your assets are safe, with no user data stored on a central server. Security is paramount. Callisto Wallet features private key management, giving you full control. Multi-signature addresses add extra security for larger balances. Built-in features protect against phishing and other common crypto risks. The wallet integrates seamlessly with Callisto Network's cold staking, letting you earn rewards directly. The Callisto wallet balances simplicity, security, and functionality, especially for Callisto Network users. It's perfect for anyone wanting ease of use and control over their keys and funds. Learn more in the description below.